Oh, here you are. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to talk about writing. It's not about the creativity. Rather, it's about the beauty of your handwriting. I mean the appearance. Who doesn't want to have a good handwriting? Do you have? That's fine. If you don't have, I think this video will help you. I have some scripts. These are experimental. I'll try to explore and let you know what the common problems are. The handwriting should be appealing, interesting, and of course, attractive. Think about doctor's handwriting. Do you like that? I'm not talking about all the doctors, some, or to some extent many. It's really hard to understand. Forget it. Think about academic writing or any writing you want to, especially handwriting. When you write something, you might encounter so many problems. Do you know why our handwriting is not still up to the mark? Let's explore. Your writing is really nice, but maybe because of some silly reasons, it's not. Okay, first of all, look at the little body here. The problem here is noticeable. If you can see, I don't know, the space between the words are not that much consistent. Somewhere too much, somewhere too less. Look at the second script we have. What's the problem here? Yeah, the writing is nice, except the spacing. So what else we can find? Maybe the slanted version, it's slanted left and some lines are straight. Some fonts are serif and some sans serif, and sometimes we find script style, and look at that. So lots of things are going on here. So let's move on. So what's the problem here? I think you've got the point. The alphabets are quite nice, but look at the spaces everywhere. Look at that. A space, Q space, U space, all the letters are together. Okay, so what's next we have? It's slanted to the right. Seems really nice. I think there is nothing problematic if you can continue maintaining the consistency. This will also be nice. What about this guy? Look at that. Sometimes it happens to us. We start writing from that margin and our writing goes up and we just go down and go up and down, shape a little bit. This happens. So I guess this could be a reason for not having a nice handwriting, though your alphabets or the words you write are nice. Think about this guy. This is really interesting and funny as well, about the F and G, Q, Y. All the tails are so long. I think, yeah, this is also quite funny to some extent, but the consistency is there. What about this? Your writing should have enough space, not too much or too less. So this is quite nice, except this too much spacing here or there, but still good. What if you have less space? Your writing might look like something alike. So will that be okay? No, it will really be hard to understand what's going on here. That's the reason I think our writing is not still up to the mark. What about the next one we have? This is so common. Our line starts here and it ends there. So many of us still writing this way, and as soon as we understand that, oh, we are going too far away, we start writing within a straight line and it becomes imbalanced. So this goes on, and this is also the main reason, I guess, for not having a nice handwriting. And what about this one? Yeah, this is also nice. Spacing is moderate, except this area. Look at the Q-U-I-C-K. Yeah, earlier it was possible to write, but in this modern era, no one writes this way. You should be careful about your word, should not split that up. And go for the next one. I think this one looks great. Why? There are a number of reasons for that. The spacing is satisfactory between the alphabet or the words, and of course there is straight line and consistency is there. All the alphabets, the way the writer writes, it's simple and understandable. That's the way, that's the success of the writing. Okay, holding the pencil or the pen right way is also important. Many of us still hold with 4 fingers, or many 5, or many. Do you hold this way? No, maybe when we are kids we wrote alike. That's fine. Make sure you feel comfortable enough. When you use pencil, try to make sure that you use triangular pencil because it fits well with 3 fingers. So that's what I feel comfortable. I can tell you should do the same. But what if you hold your pencil with 4 fingers? That's okay. Totally normal. The thing is that whenever you feel good enough and comfortable, that's fine. You can go on. In general, I can say many students hold their pencils or pen with 3 fingers, and that's the way we should. But remember, it's so smooth and light, not too tight. Look at that. Try at home. I think you can feel that what I mean. It's not going to help you. Remember, the smoother you hold the pencil or pen, the nicer your writing will be. That's the point. Okay? Don't even hold the pencil too high. This might not help even. Not even too close. It will be really tough to write something. Okay, fine. So what if I use a pen instead? Same goes here. Nothing is different. It doesn't matter what tool or tools or pen or pencils you use. Rather, it matters either you write or not, either you write properly or not, either you feel comfortable or not. So make sure you maintain all the stuff I've just mentioned. This might be helpful for your IELTS writing as well. If you notice, there is a section at the bottom right corner. It says illegible. If your answer script is marked on that area, that means your writing is not clear enough, very hard to read. The examiner might face struggle. Will that impress the examiner? No. Do you like bad handwriting? No. Nobody likes. Writing is all about the creativity to a greater extent. But today, I'm mainly focusing on the appearance of writing, to beautify, to impress the examiner. In general, I think you will be benefited today. No matter what you write, where you write, with pencil or pen, no problem. Your writing will be outstanding because I experimented. For your information, I finished 4 pencils in 3 days. As I was thinking, I started my mission. After passing 2 weeks, most probably, I found amazing results. You'll be amazed at your performance. Don't you believe me? Let's try. Only your script can impress the examiner because the first impression is the best impression. As always, I've said almost everyone likes a good handwriting, which is appealing and attractive and organized. There is nothing tricky. Just practice writing every day. I started my journey from scratch, and I think you should do the same. I took care of alphabets A, B, C. Later, I wrote the full sentence that I have already mentioned. Yes, it's fine. My handwriting is not that much beautiful or appealing, but I'm quite satisfied with what I have now because I didn't have that. That's the success. I wish you all the best. Continue writing and impress many. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and let me know your opinion through the comment section below. I will surely check. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I'll continuously upload videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye now.